Hi, I'm Vormor Skin Dictionary Pen, V07. Let's embark on a new language learning experience together. First, let's set up the Skin Dictionary Pen. Select the system language that suits you. Connect to Wi-Fi. Once these are completed, you can start using the Skin Dictionary Pen. 10 functions available for your selection. Now, let's give it a try with text skin translation. Click the text scanning translation icon. Click on the upper right corner to set up the scanning and translation languages. It supports scanning and recognition in 71 languages and can be translated into 135 languages. Use the pen tip to scan the text that needs to be recognized. You can also click the small speaker icon to listen to the original and translated text pronunciations. Then let's try the dictionary function. Click on the dictionary icon. Use the pen tip to scan the text that needs to be recognized. You can also click the small speaker icon to listen to the original and translated text pronunciations. Click the star icon on the top right to save this text. Next, let's give it a try with its AI functions. Click on the VTRANS.AI icon to enter the page. It can fulfill various task requirements in different scenarios, including intelligent office work, travel planning, outdoor exercise, entertainment, and leisure activities.
Could you please help me write a 100-word short passage about spring?
Having talked about the AI function, let's now introduce its another feature, Read. Click on the Read icon to enter the page. Now, click on the top right corner to make the settings. Here, you can set the reading speed of the text and the language type. 71 different language types are available for your choice. After the settings are completed, simply click back to start the scanning process. After the scanning is completed, the text content will be automatically read.
Señora, me voy tan alegre con tu cordón que me parece que a Calisto ya le está avisando el corazón.
Clicking the Save icon on the right can save the text. Click the icon at the bottom left to view the saved text content.
Señora. Calisto.
Now let's introduce another important feature of it, Live Translation. Click on the Live Translation icon to enter the page. Similarly, we need to first set up the appropriate language. It offers 134 language options for online use. After the settings are completed, simply speak by long pressing the microphone icons on the lower left and lower right corners of the screen for real-time translation.
我看到您在韩国有转机，然后去上海，2次航班之间大约有3小时。你有行李要托运吗？
是的，我要托运我的行李箱。
Yes, I need to check my suitcase.
Now let's turn our attention to the photo translation function. Click on the photo translation icon to enter the page. Before taking a photo, we can select the text language of the picture. At the same time, choose the language you need to translate. Then you can take pictures for translation. After the photo translation is completed, the translation result will be displayed on the screen. Next, I would like to introduce its text excerpt function. Click on the text excerpt icon to enter the page. First, select the language you need. Click the plus sign, then start to scan. Once the text recognition is completed, click the Savings to save the scanned results. Click here Upload sign, and connect the translator with your computer through USB cable. Finally, I will show you how to use the recording function. Click on the recordings icon to enter the page. Click the red icon to start recording. Click on the already saved audio file to play it. Alright, that's all I can offer in terms of company. Vormor Skin Dictionary Pen V07 brings you a new experience in language learning.